Every generation creates its own definition of beauty. Some chase trends, some follow the crowd, and then there are women who create a style, language entirely their own. Women whose confidence does not arrive overnight, it is built through experience, resilience, and self discovery. Today on Insta Fashion Globe, we explore the inspiring fashion journey of Aurita Polo, a creator whose elegant style and confident presence encourage women to embrace every chapter of life with grace. This is not simply a story about clothing, it's a story about confidence, self expression, and discovering that personal style has no age limit. Fashion often changes with session, true style evolves with experience. What makes Orita as a fashion journey interesting is her ability to combine modern trends and with timeless elegance. Whether she is walking through historic streets enjoying summer sunshine or sharing everyday fashion moments, her outfit communicate something deeper than appearance. They communicate confidence. Many women believe fashion becomes less important as they grow older. Orita offers different perspective. She demonstrates that fashion can remain a creative tool for self-expression throughout life. Her style shows that elegance is not about looking younger, it is about looking authentically yourself. Let's discover three fashion lessons inspired by Orita's approach. Lesson 1: Dress your personality instead of copying trends. A successful style begins by understanding what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Orita often choose outfits that feel natural rather than forced. Lesson 2: Balance simplicity with statement pieces. A following dress, a sophisticated handbag, a soulful accessories. One standout element can transform an entire look. Lesson 3: Confidence complete every outfit. Fashion experts include emphasis garment and accessories. Yet confidence remains that most powerful style elegant anyone can wear. Without confidence, even luxury fashion feels incomplete. With confidence, simplicity becomes unforgettable. What women can learn from her journeys. One reason women connect with creators like Orita is because they see possibilities. They see someone embracing life rather than hiding for it. Fashion is often misunderstood as vanity. In reality, fashion can be a form of communication. It tells the world how to feel about ourselves. It reflects creativity, it reflects identity, and the most importantly, that it reflects self-respect. Women over 50 are increasingly redefining fashion expectations around the world. They are proving that style does not belong to a particular age group. Style belongs to anyone willing to express themselves authentically. Orita's journey encourages women to explore new colors, experiment with new looks, and celebrate their individuality without fear of judgment. As we conclude today's feature, one message stands above all others. Fashion is not about becoming someone else. Fashion is about becoming more of who you already are. Orita's polo reminds us that elegance grows with experience, confidence grows with self-acceptance, and personal style continues evolving throughout every stage of life. Thanks you for joining Insta Fashion Glow. If this story inspired you, leave a comment sharing the style lesson that resonated with you most. Until next time, stay confident, stay authentic, and keep your glow shining wherever life takes you. Thanks for joining Insta Fashion Glow. Stay tuned, stay healthy.